better grab an umbrella. I make it right. I make it right. I'm in this bitch.
Stop in my hood, run in the house, someone go grab a glizzy. Told Pop to come, cause this shit here finna get a little.
Big Ethan. Big rolling and scraping. Halfway there, I had to get some water. And that new unit. What? Big Ethan. Man, mafia, bitch.
What's up? We call his phone like spin back, we bottle water them up. I'm 40 bullets, jump out the Glock, this shit dangerous. If you ain't grow up in that fire, then you can't hang with us. If you ain't down to put them up, then you can't bang with us. And watch this over the football, I just might set you up. Ain't sipping water, man, it's dirty shit up.
And we fucking made it. Ooh. Ethan lost his brakes. Why you need some brake fluid? Look at this fucking shit. Just got the fucking truck. Cops here now. My shit's fucked. My fucking door is fucked. Oh my god, my glass. Won't even fucking close. Oh, close. Close. Viral cause fuck. Bro, look at my fucking truck, bro. Look at this shit, bro. I just got this bitch a week ago. Bro, bent the fucking seat up. Bro, all this shit's fucked. Blew out my fucking window. God damn. Door won't even close. I gotta drive this bitch all the way back to fucking Louisiana, bro. She's still pretty on one side though. He hit a trailer, then he thought his foot was on the brake, I guess, and this motherfucker drifted and came straight into my shit, man. That's some bullshit, bro. But it was a 16-year-old kid, bro. His mom gonna buy him a new fucking truck and I get fucked. Man, that shit's so fucked. Fuck it. And we still out here with the wrecked truck. Ain't nothing stopping us. Papa Chitty, man.
Papa Chitty, babe. Oh, yeah.
Eat more ass.
Oh.
Wait, let me eat your ass.
Alright, right now?
It's just and I wanna see that shit, so take your time and think.
Send me that shit, bro! Huh? On when?
I done put him on the ground and flipped
Hold on, y'all stay by me. I need this video.
Nigga, my phone died.
No.
Amber, give me my phone. 1 second. She gonna give it to you?
You know what happened right here, man? Some fucking bullshit. I was parked at that pump all the way to the left. That motherfucker pulled out right here, hit a trailer, did a donut, and hit my shit.
Boom.
Ain't that some fucking bullshit? What? They cock-outed as fuck out here. They got an accident? Hey, yesterday? This bitch got a full tank with $50. That ain't right. Look, you see that Tacoma over there? Went just like that. Fuck my shit up, bro. Fuck my whole weekend up. Some bullshit. Let me get it right. Candy apple red, please. We're gonna try to get somebody to do a fucking burnout. Do a burnout! He ain't burning it up. Left it hard. Nothing but the truck. That bitch clean. Hey, that bitch clean! Appreciate it like that. Hey, appreciate it. Somebody just told us this bitch this morning. Damn. On this other side. Oh, hey, watch out for them kids, boy. Next year I'm coming back bigger and better, man.
Well,
do
looks
burnout.
like it.
Aww.
Pussy.
Man, I ain't got no pipes ran, bro. I wasn't prepared. I only had it a week.
Talking about right there. Right there. Yep.
In the back line.
Y'all be careful going in the Circle K. Motherfuckers like to T-bone people in that parking lot.
Yes, sir. That dude's scraping the coast, for real. Cruising with Mel.
Can't be defeated, I got mad sauce.
Hey, we left your hand.
Like a prisoner in my headspace, been enslaved to the negatives, fiending through my best days, feeding off a crowd full of dead weight, trying to get ahead for the next play. But every time it's like I'm better off taking nails on the best man.
That shit funny as fuck.
Played by the way that the test love hate with the way that it tests me. God, I can't wait till I finally get a blessing. Plays more, but I don't think it helps to take away the stress from the pain in my core, and they paying me more, but the pay don't feel the same anymore.
Man, we rolling back to fucking church. Either got hit too. Stupid motherfuckers can't drive out here. Big steel bumper hill. What a epic church point. The big fucking unit still damaged. I beat that bitch in so the door will at least open and close. Look at this shit, bro. Yeah, we got it open and closing now. Oh, is she fucking mad? Make sure y'all make this video fucking pop. I'll see y'all next time, bro. We might be fixing this motherfucker. Hopefully they fucking pay for it, but I don't fucking know. Update on the door. Look, progress. It opens and closes now. Hell yeah. Oh, look at this shit. They got buttercream balls. They smuggling the cocaine. What?
Shawty, she a bad bitch. First up in the comments and the caption. You know what it is with me. A grade A diva. Can't nobody keep that hope. When she put it on the gram for free. She throw it back, love. Hey, 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 hey. the booty on Colossal. I'm tryna bone like Fossil. I wish that I could hook up with every Instagram model. Man, I swear I love the fuck.